Hi everyone, I'm Chef Jade, and today I'm going to talk about the tasty foundation of miso soup. If you've ever been to a Japanese restaurant, chances are you've had miso soup. This warm, slightly cloudy soup, bursting with umami flavor, is often served in a small bowl before meals. The delicious stock that forms the base of this soup is called dashi. You might have seen this ingredient listed on Japanese menus and wondered what it was. That's where I come in. Basically, dashi stock consists of hot water, an edible kelp called kombu, and shavings of preserved fermented fish. The heated liquid is then strained to form the stock. The combination of seaweed and fermented fish is largely responsible for miso soup's briny umami flavor. As a vegan, I substitute dried shiitake mushrooms for the fish, which gives the stock that umami flavor I love while still retaining the taste of the ocean. Instant dashi powder, both vegan and non, is widely available, but as always, homemade just tastes so much better. Unlike so many other stocks, which take hours to make, most dashis can be made in less than half an hour, with just a couple of ingredients. And feel free to mix and match the basic ingredients to your taste. This, after all, is how most types of dashi get their names. Kombu dashi, for instance, is a simple, vegan-friendly preparation that primarily uses the dried kelp mentioned earlier. Niboshi dashi, on the other hand, is a more complex version that uses dried sardines. While dashi is best known as the base for miso soup, it finds its way into many traditional Japanese dishes. It is a common stock for Japanese noodle soups including ramen, soba, and udon. It is also the stock of choice for Japanese hot pot, and if you've ever partaken of the delicious feast that is shabu shabu, you've likely encountered dashi stock. When I am cooking traditional Japanese dishes, I like to use it as a liquid seasoning, the same way you might use chicken stock in American dishes. To me, that's one of the best things about dashi. It can be adapted for just about any diet. So feel free to experiment until you find the dashi recipe that works for you. If you enjoyed this video and want to check out more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. See you next time.